Here I have the hybrid mattress from Novilla. In this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Those questions were, how long does it take to fully expand once you unbox it? The second question I was seeing is, does this mattress contain fiberglass? And then the third question was, is this mattress good for holding a bunch of weight or for more heavier set people? So I'm going to answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. But let's get into that first question. How long does it take to fully expand? So pretty much out of the box, mine was fully expanded. I did go ahead and measure it, and you can see that in the corner with a video going, but I did go ahead and measure it, and it was to the 12 inches, and that was just 48 hours after I took it out of the box. So I would say give it a day or two if yours isn't fully expanded when you get it, but after a day or two, and they say 72 hours, so maybe 3 days at the most, it should be fully expanded for you. And now that second question, which is, does this mattress contain fiberglass? So it does not contain fiberglass. I also saw people asking, does it have a smell to it? There's no smell to it at all. It smells just like nothing, which is perfect. So no fiberglass and no smell. So if that is an issue for you, hopefully that clears it up. And now for the third question I was seeing is, how much weight does this mattress support, or is it good for heavier set people? So me, myself, I'm only 200 pounds. So I can only speak on that. The one thing I will say is I've reviewed a lot of different kind of brands of mattresses, and this one is definitely on the heavier side. So it's about 80 pounds. It was hard for me to get up onto my box spring because I was doing it by myself. I've had different mattresses where I can kind of just throw them up there. So I would say with this one being 80 pounds, it's a more heavy duty, dense type mattress, which I would assume would be way better for handling weight than something that is super light. So it has independent coils as well. So I'd say the independent coils mixed with that more dense, heavy duty type feel to it, it would be good at supporting, more weight than something that's super light. But overall, this mattress was, super affordable, came out of the box ready to go. I just need another mattress for a guest room, and it works perfect for that. So I'm happy with it. 2 thumbs up from me.